Welcome to Papua New Guinea, a land of ancient traditions, wild landscapes, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Papua New Guinea is home to over 850 distinct languages, nearly 1/8 of the world's total. Each valley, each village, can be a completely different linguistic world. This diversity is a result of the island's rugged terrain, which kept communities isolated for millennia. Language, here, is more than communication. It's identity, history, and worldview. For visitors, gestures and smiles often bridge the gaps words cannot. The people of Papua New Guinea have long mastered the art of connecting across divides. This living library of languages is a testament to human adaptability and creativity. Deep in the rainforests and highlands, some tribes remain untouched by modernity. Their lives are shaped by ancestral wisdom and the rhythms of nature. Survival skills, hunting, building, healing, are passed down through generations. Rituals and ceremonies are woven into daily life, maintaining harmony with the spirit world. These cultures are not relics, but living, evolving societies facing new challenges. Their resilience and connection to the land offer lessons for us all. They are guardians of ancient knowledge, keeping humanity's oldest traditions alive. The Kokoda Track winds 96 kilometers through the Owen Stanley Range, a test of endurance and spirit. In 1942, it was the site of a brutal W2 campaign between Australian, Papuan, and Japanese forces. The Fuzzy Wuzzy Angels, local Papuans, became heroes for aiding wounded soldiers across impossible terrain. Today, trekking Kokoda is a journey through history and hardship. The trail's mud, mountains, and memories humble all who walk it. It's a pilgrimage of remembrance and personal triumph. Here, nature and history are inseparable. The Ghost Mountain Trail leaves a mark on every soul who braves it. Papua New Guinea's rainforest, often called the Emerald Jewel of the Pacific, is the world's third largest tropical rainforest, stretching across vast swathes of the country and covering over 3/4 of its landmass. This immense green expanse is not just a breathtaking sight from above. It is a living, breathing ecosystem that sustains life on an extraordinary scale. Within this lush realm lies a staggering biodiversity. Scientists estimate that up to 10% of all known species on Earth can be found here, thriving in the dense foliage and hidden valleys. From the vibrant birds of paradise with their dazzling plumage to tree kangaroos leaping through the canopy, and insects that have yet to be named. Many of these creatures exist nowhere else on the planet. The rainforest is a frontier of discovery. Even today, researchers continue to uncover new species of plants, insects, and animals, revealing just how little we truly know about this ancient ecosystem. Each expedition into its depths brings the possibility of finding life forms that could change our understanding of nature. For the indigenous peoples of Papua New Guinea, the rainforest is far more than just a backdrop. It is their home, their source of food, medicine, and spiritual connection. Generations have learned to read the forest's signs, using its plants for healing and its resources for daily life, all while maintaining a deep respect for its balance. Yet, this emerald world faces mounting threats. Logging and mining operations are carving away at the forest's edges, leading to deforestation and habitat loss. The delicate web of life that has flourished here for millennia is now at risk, and with it, the cultural heritage of the people who depend on it. Protecting Papua New Guinea's rainforest is not just a local concern, it is a global imperative. These forests play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, absorbing carbon dioxide, and producing oxygen. They may also hold the keys to future medical breakthroughs, with rare plants that could provide cures for diseases yet to be conquered. The fate of this rainforest is intimately tied to the fate of us all. As cities expand and the world changes, the choices we make today will determine whether this natural wonder endures for future generations. Papua New Guinea's rainforest is a living laboratory, a sanctuary of life, and a vital part of our planet's health. Its preservation is not just about saving trees, it's about safeguarding the future of life on Earth. Papua New Guinea's Sing Sings are vibrant festivals where tribes gather to celebrate identity. The Goroka Show is the most famous, thousands in spectacular costumes, painted faces, and feathered headdresses. Each group performs unique dances, telling stories of myth, history, and nature. The air pulses with drums, chants, and the energy of ancient traditions. Originally, these gatherings fostered peace between rival tribes. Today, they are a dazzling affirmation of unity in diversity. The Goroka show is not just spectacle, it's the living heart of Papua New Guinea. Here, culture is alive, proud, and ever-evolving. High in the rainforest canopy lives the tree kangaroo, a marsupial that returned to the trees. With strong claws and a long tail for balance, it moves gracefully among the branches. Shy and elusive, it's a rare sight in the misty highlands. Several species exist, each adapted to its own forest. Many are endangered, threatened by habitat loss and hunting. The tree kangaroo is a symbol of Papua New Guinea's unique biodiversity. It's a living lesson in evolution's creativity. Beneath the waves, Papua New Guinea's coral reefs are among the world's most pristine and diverse. Located in the Coral Triangle, these reefs teem with life. Corals, fish, turtles, and sharks. Shipwrecks from W2 now serve as artificial reefs, blending history and nature. The underwater world is a vibrant, ever-changing ecosystem, but these marine gardens are fragile, threatened by warming seas and pollution. Their health reflects the health of our oceans. Exploring them is a privilege and a reminder of what we stand to lose. The reefs are a silent testament to the wonder of life on Earth. The Sepik River, one of the great waterways of Papua New Guinea, winds its way for over 1,000 kilometers through dense, untamed rainforest and sprawling floodplains. Its serpentine path carves a lifeline through the heart of the island, shaping the land and the people who call its banks home. Along its ever-changing banks, entire communities have adapted to the river's rhythms, building stilt villages that rise above the floodwaters. These homes, perched on wooden legs, protect families from seasonal surges and offer a vantage point over the shimmering expanse of water. Here, life is inseparable from the river. Canoes, expertly carved from single tree trunks, are the main mode of transport. From a young age, children learn to paddle, gliding silently across the water to visit neighbors, trade goods, or fish for the day's meal. The river provides in abundance. Fish are caught with hand-woven nets, while crocodiles, both feared and revered, are hunted for their meat and skins. Every catch is a testament to the skills passed down through generations, and meals are shared communally along the riverbanks. But the Sepik is more than just a source of food and transport. Its waters are believed to be alive with spirits, and rituals are performed to honor and appease these unseen forces. At dawn, villagers gather to offer prayers, their voices mingling with the mist that rises from the river's surface. At the heart of every village stands the House Tambaran, the spirit house. These sacred structures, adorned with intricate carvings and ancestral masks, are places of ceremony, storytelling, and initiation. Within their shadowy interiors, the myths and histories of the Sepik people are kept alive. Art and myth are woven into daily life. Skilled hands carve wood into fantastical creatures, while others paint vibrant masks for dances that retell ancient legends. Every object, every pattern, carries meaning, connecting the present to the past. To journey along the Sepik is to witness a world where nature and culture are deeply entwined. The river is both highway and storyteller, revealing scenes of daily life and moments of quiet beauty to those who travel its waters. Here, time seems to slow, dictated by the gentle flow of the river. Days unfold at a pace set by the sun and the tides, allowing for reflection, connection, and a profound sense of peace. The people of the Sepik thrive not by conquering their environment, but by working with it. Gardens are planted in fertile silt, wild plants are gathered with care, and children grow up, learning the delicate balance between use and respect. Community is at the heart of survival. Families work together, share meals, and pass on knowledge through stories and hands-on teaching. Elders guide the young, ensuring that traditions endure and the river's gifts are never taken for granted. As the sun sets and the river glows with the colors of dusk, the Sepik stands as a living link to humanity's ancient relationship with water. A reminder of how deeply our lives can be shaped by the natural world, and how harmony with nature is both possible and beautiful. In the highlands of Papua New Guinea, the Asaro mudmen emerge from the morning mist, their presence both mysterious and captivating. These figures, shrouded in the early fog, seem to materialize from the very essence of the land itself. Their bodies are caked in gray clay, a natural armor that transforms them into otherworldly beings. The haunting masks they wear are crafted with care, each one telling a story of its own, a story of fear and awe. Their performance is a vivid reenactment of an ancient legend. It speaks of defeated warriors who, in a moment of desperation, used mud and masks to terrify their enemies into retreat. This clever tactic turned the tide of battle, showcasing the power of psychological warfare. Today, the Mudmen's slow, silent dance is more than just a performance. It is a living theater of psychological warfare, a reminder of the past, and a celebration of cultural resilience. The oversized clay masks, with their distorted features, add to the eerie presence of the Mudmen. Each mask is a work of art, designed to evoke fear and respect, a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of the Asaro people. Unlike other festivals, the Mudmen move in silence, commanding attention with every gesture. Their silent procession speaks volumes, capturing the imagination of all who witness it. Their story is a powerful example of how history becomes identity. Elders pass down tales of bravery and cunning, ensuring that the legacy of the Mudmen lives on in the hearts of the younger generation. The Asaro Mudmen are an unforgettable symbol of Papua New Guinea's creativity and cultural richness. They captivate audiences, both local and international, leaving a lasting impression on all who encounter them. They embody the island's unique blend of myth, art, and survival. The Mudmen are not just performers, they are living symbols of a culture that thrives on its connection to the land and its history, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Asaro people. Papua New Guinea's landscape is shaped by volcanoes, mountains, and rivers, a masterpiece of geological forces. Sitting on the Pacific Ring of Fire, the island is home to active volcanoes and soaring peaks. Fertile valleys, carved by rivers, have supported agriculture for thousands of years. The dramatic topography creates countless microclimates and habitats. Within hours, you can travel from tropical beaches to cool highland valleys. This variety fuels the island's incredible biodiversity. Papua New Guinea's wild beauty is a constant reminder of nature's power. Our journey through Papua New Guinea ends, but its stories linger. We've glimpsed a world of diversity, resilience, and wonder. Thank you for joining this adventure. If you're inspired, consider subscribing for more journeys into the world's hidden corners. Carry a piece of Papua New Guinea with you. Let curiosity be your guide. The greatest adventure is to remain curious.